CDL Exam Prep 2022 through 2023, page 132. Passenger Transport Test number 1 completed. Question 23. Which of the following is true? A. You can always depend on your vehicle's speed to be the same as a car's speed. B. Speed can lead to loss of life. C. You should take curves fast. Or D. None of the above. The answer is B. Speed can lead to loss of life. Slippery roads and speed are the greatest enemies to safety. They often result in the loss of lives and properties. Most roads are designed with an acceptable speed rate on the road. However, the speed limit of a car may be appropriate for a bus, so you must be careful with the speed of your vehicle. Slow driving is far better than fast when taking curves. Number 24. When stopping at railroad crossings, you should apply the brake when you are about blank feet from the crossing. A. 3 to 7 feet. B. 45 to 60 feet. C. 15 to 50 feet. Or D. 5 to 10 feet. The answer is C, 15 to 50 feet. When stopping at railroad crossings, apply the brake when your bus is about 15 to 50 feet away. Watch out for trains by listening and looking. If possible, step out of your seat to be sure if there are oncoming trains or not. And lastly, last question for the test, number 25. What should you do if a drawbridge does not have a traffic control attendant or green signal light? A. Apply your brakes. B. Slow down. C. Make sure your vehicle is at least 50 feet from 50 feet from the drawbridge. Or D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. If the drawbridge does not have a traffic control attendant or green signal light, apply your brakes. You do not need to stop, but you have to slow down at least 50 feet from the drawbridge. Inspect to ensure the drawbridge is fully closed up. Page 133. School Bus Endorsement Test number 1. Number 1. What should you do when there's a dispute in your vehicle? A. turn back to see who's causing trouble. B, take your hands off the wheel to settle the dispute. C, keep your gaze on the road. Or D, all of the above. The answer is C, keep your gaze on the road. Expect school children to create disturbances on the bus, but do not get distracted. While loading and unloading, your priority is to focus on what is happening outside. Do not ever take your gaze from the road to settle a dispute on the bus. You can use the mirrors to know what is happening at your back. If the dispute is intense, stop the vehicle and settle the conflict. Number 2, when should you observe the school rules on discipline? A, before transit. B, during transit. C, after transit. Or D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. When managing students, observe the school rules and regulations on discipline before, during, and after transit. Stop the bus as soon as you find a safe parking area. Turn off the vehicle and take your key as you step out of the vehicle. Remind the offenders of the rules and regulations. Number 3, what is the best way to resolve conflict in your vehicle? A, switch parties from their seats. B, allow the parties to stay together after you talk to them. C, remove the arguing parties immediately. Or D, ask the parties in conflict to sit in the front seats. The answer is A, switch parties from their seats. To ensure total resolution of the conflict, you may switch all parties from their seats. Place them where they cannot see or reach each other. You may even decide to instruct the offenders to sit closer to you for easier monitoring.